Hey there, how are you today? This is Mark. On today's lesson, we're going to be looking at types of sentences: declarative, imperative, exclamatory, and interrogative. So let's get started. So for our learning objectives, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the 4 types of sentences in English, recognize punctuation marks used with each type, create your own examples of each type, use sentences correctly in speaking and writing. So first off, declarative sentences. They make a statement or give information. A simple sentence like, I like learning English. As you can see, they end with a period. Any sentence, long or short, that ends with a period is usually a declarative sentence. Wait a minute, there are also imperative sentences. They give a command or make a request, like for example, please sit down or open your book. They usually end with a period or exclamation mark. But here you can notice that we don't have a subject. Imperative sentences don't have a subject. So we just use the verb and then the object. So that's how you can differentiate declarative and imperative sentences. Then we have exclamatory sentences. They show strong feeling or excitement, like wow, or that's amazing, or nice to see you. They end with an exclamation mark, okay? That's the exclamatory type of sentence. And then we have interrogative sentences. They ask a question. For example, do you like pizza? How is your day? They end with a question mark. Now, let's go over to you. So in this exercise, you're gonna fill in the blanks with the correct answers. So I'll give you a few minutes. You may pause the video and then I'll give you the key. Now that you've got your answers, I'm going to share my key. What's your name? This is an interrogative sentence. Close the door. As you can see, we have the verb, no subject, and the object. This is an imperative sentence. I love music. This is a declarative sentence. And finally, that's incredible. That's an exclamatory sentence because it ends with an exclamation mark. To wrap up, there are 4 types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Each has its own punctuation. Practice helps you use them correctly in speaking and writing. A big thanks to Genially. Genially is a fantastic tool, from interactive presentations to gamified quizzes and animated infographics. Genially makes it easy to design content that grabs attention and keeps audiences engaged. You don't have any design skill? Don't worry, no problem. Choose a template, customize, and share it in minutes, just like I did with this one. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the lesson, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And finally, you can do me a favor to share this lesson with your friends. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.